strong winds of up to 85 miles per hour and heavy rain are set to batter Scotland. Picture Pop published 1652 Wednesday 27 September 2017. Forecasters have warned that the hurricanes could bring wind gusts of over 85 miles per hour to northern Scotland as it arrives from the North Atlantic. The Met Office said the potential weather conditions would be far from those experienced in the Caribbean, but added strong winds and heavy rain were to be expected in Scotland and northern England. Read more. Hurricane hit British overseas territories. Look, apocalyptic weather systems like hurricanes tend to peter out after moving away from warmer tropical waters, having lost their source of energy. Meteorologists are currently monitoring the progress of the hurricanes as they curve their way across the open waters of the North Atlantic. Both are weakening, but have the potential to disrupt weather across Scotland towards the end of the weekend and into early next week. Merge accounts. Custom True.